Hi, are you someone who stays outside of India and is looking forward to shopping from Indian e-commerce stores like Ajio? Is Ajio making it mandatory for you to have an Indian phone number or an Indian address while shopping, or do you just find it difficult to shop and talk to Indian sellers? This is where Shopre's personal shopper service can help you out. Watch to know more. Go to www.shoppre.com. Log in or sign up if you haven't already with your Gmail account or email address. You will reach your customer dashboard. Click on Place an Order under the Personal Shopper option. Click Next after going through the pricing. Copy-paste your preferred product's URL to the bar. Add details like quantity, size, color, and the price of the product in INR. If this item is not available, we give you two alternatives, either to cancel all items in case you are purchasing more items than one. Check if you would be okay with the pricing going higher and by how much. If you are not, you may click the same. This is because there are chances the prices may change. Now you will see a payment estimate. Personal shopper fee amounts to Rs 200. We have different payment modes available. You may choose your preferred one. Click on the available offers. Else, if you are a first-time user, you can avail a flat Rs 200 off on the order value. As you can see, the price has fallen. Now simply place the order and wait as we send the package to your doorstep.